I know, on camera.
Who just came in? Is this the president and CEO and chief whatever officer of Batch Blue?
It is.
Tamla O'Hara?
PM O'Hara, as I'm known around the Twitterverse.
PM O'Hara.
PM, yes.
What's the M stand for?
McDonald.
McDonald. Oh, so that's your maiden name.
Yes.
Oh. And you're coming all the way from the north. See, we're down in Atlanta.
I am Yankee Land.
Yes. Although you're a native
I'm
of down.
originally from Georgia, so.
So we'll allow you to come down.
Yeah, exactly. I had cheese grits for breakfast. That works, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay, you're official.
I'm good.
Good. Well, I just wanted to get a quick little video shout. Do you want to shout out to anybody?
Hi, Batch Blue folks, and everyone. I don't know.
Because she's just getting ready to do an interview for Technology for Business sake. So we got to cut the video off and go to record our actual conversation.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay.